This video session will cover how you can backup Office 365 emails on Windows. The Outlook is a common email application offered by Microsoft with Office 365 support. But many users frequently face issues while using Outlook, such as it quits working or show an error, failed to launch. Mainly, people using Office 365 applications on Windows 10 face these issues the most. Choosing Office 365 backup is not only the path of least resistance, but it will also keep your money in the long run, keep your data secure, protect you from an attacker, and overall, make you the Office hero in times of crisis. For this, you must go with SysInfo Office 365 Backup and Restore software to backup your Office 365 emails on desktop as various formats. Now let's have attention upon the notable features of the software. Saves and download Office 365 Mailbox to PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, etc. Import Office 365 emails to Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Zebra, and IMAP. Backup emails, contacts, schedule meetings, and calendars of Office 365. Available with date range feature to filter emails based on dates. Define the path of the saving location. Works on all versions of Windows. Now follow these easy steps to backup Office 365 email data. After you launch the software, select the option to backup Office 365. After which you will see the login interface, type the credentials of your Office 365 account. Click on the login button. Once you are into your account, select the email format of your choice, like we are choosing PST format to save our backup. Select the destination path and naming convention option in emails. Click Next. You can also choose the option to exclude the empty folder. Select Start Date and End Data, then click on Add button from Date Filter option for transfer email according to date range. Click on the Apply option. At the end of the process, the user will receive a confirmation message. Click OK. Here you also save the data as CSV format. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.